Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, you will learn how to introduce yourself at first day of your school. So let's start. Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of you. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is, here you will write your name. I am 11 years old. I live in defense phase 4. My father name is Adnan. He is a doctor. My mother name is Shabana. She is a government teacher. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. My favorite subject is science. My hobby is reading books and watching documentary videos. I want to become a doctor and serve the nation. I am very happy to be in this class and excited to meet teachers and classmates. That's all about me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.